Okay, we're about to try a new color today. This is gonna be mermaid hair. I'm gonna see how this turns out because I'm gonna do cornrows, and I'm gonna mix these two type of hairs. This is the water wave, and this one is springy afro twist. I have mixed hair before, so we'll just see how this turns out, but I love this color. It's called Mermaid. So yeah, I'm gonna mix the black and this color, and I don't want it to look too crazy, so I'm probably gonna cut off the top right there and then let the bottom be more colorful. So yeah, we'll see how it turns out. But right now I'm about to soak this hair in apple cider vinegar and water, and then I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna start on my hair. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this white residue that comes up when you soak it in apple cider vinegar. I don't know if it's processing on the camera, but that is the white stuff at the top of the water. Those are the chemicals that are in the hair, and that makes the hair itchy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out, wash the hair out. It's been sitting in here for about 30 minutes in the apple cider vinegar water. So I'm gonna wash it, condition it, dry it, and then put it in my hair. All right. Okay, I shook up the water a little bit. Now you can really see the white residue, which is the chemicals that came out of mainly this hair. The black hair was fine. Didn't too much come out of that, but this, you can, I know you guys can see that now. I have the light off, so it shows better with the lights off, but you can clearly see the chemicals. What I'm gonna be using to wash my hair and condition it, this is, the label is off, but that's Pantene conditioner. And then Cream of Nature shampoo, yeah. So I'm about to go ahead and wash this hair and condition it right now. Okay, so these are the products that I am going to be using today to do my twist. I got my Eco Gel, my vitamin E, my spray bottle of water, black castor oil, leave-in conditioner for curls, and then coconut oil to seal in the moisture. I'm gonna combine these while I do my my cornrows. So this is gonna keep my hair moisturized. It's gonna keep it fabulous for the amount of time that I'm going to leave them in, which is probably gonna be about 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on that. I'm gonna wash the hair, and yeah, the hair that I have soaking in the apple cider vinegar, I'm gonna go ahead and wash and condition that, and then I'm gonna get started. This is how my hair came out. I did it last night, and I did a greenish blue. It's called Mermaid. I hope you guys like it because I love it. This is the back, and this is the front. The crown. You guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I like how it came out. I left it long and open and curly at the bottom, but yeah, I think it's pretty. I've done so many colors, but I really like this one. It's like a dream come true because it's mermaid. Who doesn't like mermaids, right? But yeah, I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Okay guys, I just want to kind of show how my hair came out. This is what it's looking like. Yep, this is how my hair came out. It is, sorry, let me turn the camera this way. This is my peacock / mermaid hair, and this is how it came out. I think it came out pretty good. Birthday girl.
Okay, give me one. Oh, I like that. Okay.